Hey. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and winterize the boat today. One thing I wanted to do, after I rebuilt the carburetor, put it back on, I was checking other stuff, and I noticed that the return line off of the carburetor was clogged up with a whole bunch of junk. So I just put this temporary one on for right now. But let's put a permanent one on there. That'll work. Okay, so that's on there. You'll be able to see in it if any junk gets in there too. It's a good thing about having those clear yellow hoses. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Yeah, that carburetor, that rebuild worked pretty good. Fires right up now. All new components, everything. Gonna adjust the idle mixture screw a little here. Let her warm up a little bit. That's that in the other video I did, the whole carburetor rebuild kit there. Okay, so while we got it running and warmed up, we'll go ahead and put some 360 Marine Stable in it. This will help if there's any water in there through the whole winter while it's sitting. And since I only have a little bit of fuel in mine, I don't need much in it. And with this, you just read the back directions. It'll tell you exactly how much you need. 1 ounce treats 10 gallons. So just go from there on how much you need. Okay, now that it's nice and warmed up, I know that that stable that I just put in there has worked its way through the lines. So that's what you don't want to just pour it in and not have it running, because it does no good sitting in the, you know, in the fill tank. You want it to get in through your lines. So it's been running for a while now, so we'll go ahead and shut it off, and then we'll start winterizing it. I almost forgot. In order to winterize it, we gotta fog the carburetor. So we gotta turn it back on. So we'll go ahead and remove this. And we're gonna spray it with engine fogging oil. This will help protect it, get any moisture out that might be left in there for the winter. You're gonna spray it until it shuts off. I also wanted to point out that you spray this until it shuts off, or until you start seeing the smoke come out the back, which is what the direction. Okay, we're starting to see the white smoke come out. That's what you want to see. You can see it coming out. See the smoke coming out. That's how you know that you made it all the way through. Oh, shut off. Okay, that's what it should do. So that's all in there now, so the carb's all set. We'll put this back on. Next thing we want to do is remove our hoses here.
There it goes. Whew.
I'm just using RV Marine antifreeze. See, you pour it until you start seeing it come back out of here. Then you can put that back on. And I leave them off to let me know that come summer I gotta go ahead and check everything again. Now let's go ahead and take off this one. Okay, so there's our 2 plugs right there that we have to undo. So let's go ahead and unscrew those 2 plugs. You can see it right there. So and you can see some of the RV fluid that already went through the antifreeze. And we need to do this one up here. And there's that plug. So you can see now we got the engine draining. So we'll let that drain down. And while that's draining down, you can go ahead and start pouring some down here. And you can see it's nice and red, so that means it's going through. Okay, once you have all that done, the last thing to do, go ahead and disconnect your battery for the winter. Well, almost the last thing. Make sure that your stern drive is also all the way down, so that way your bellows aren't stretched out over the winter, because that's how they dry rot and stretch out. Okay, so now we're all set. So the last thing I gotta do is just get all the junk out of here and go ahead and cover it, and we're all set for the winter. So that's how you winterize your boat. Pretty simple, and hope you guys like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.